welcome to our channel Easy Btech. This is Srujana. In the last session, I had discussed about data types. What is data type? Types of data type and predefined functions in data type. And next, I start about integer data type. In the integer data type, there are 4 types of data types are there. That is nothing but decimal form, binary form, octa form, hexadecimal form. And also I discussed about conversions of these integer data type, integer type conversions, like to convert any other type to decimal, to convert any other type to binary, to convert any other type to octal, to convert any other type to hexa. This is about last session, and this session I continue data type concept. Okay, and the next data type is float data type. What is float data type? It allows fractional numbers. It allows fractional numbers means it contains decimal point. It contains decimal point. For example, I am taking one variable a is equal to 90.67. Here I am taking one decimal fraction. Okay, so decimal fraction. I am writing here type of a. What is the type function? It generates type of the data type. It generates what is the type of the variable. It generates what is the type of variable. This variable is a float data type. So the answer is float. Okay, the answer is float. And next one, complex data type. Complex. In C, C++, Java, there is no complex data type. Only Python. Complex data type will be available in only Python. We can use complex data type to represent the complex number, to represent complex numbers. If you want to develop scientific application, mathematical application, electronic engineering application, complex data type will be used. Okay, what is a complex data type? For example, A is equal to, okay, A1 is equal to 10 plus 67J. A1 is equal to 10 plus 67J. I have to know about what is the type of A1. A1 is a complex data type. I want to print this value, that is nothing but 10 plus 67J. So I am printing A1, 10 plus 67J. But I have to print only real part. Here in this complex data type, the first parameter is real part and the second parameter is imaginary part. Okay, first of all, I have to print only first number A1 dot real. It will print 10.0. By default, it is a float number. Okay. So, I want to print imaginary part. A1 dot imag. It will print imaginary part. Okay. In the complex data type, the first one is real part and the second one is imaginary part. If you have to print entire these complex number, just you have to enter variable name. If you want to print only real part, just you have to enter like A1 dot real. It will print a real number. If you want to print imaginary data only, then you have to enter like this variable name dot imaj is nothing but imaginary part. Okay, this is about complex data type. And the next data type, Boolean data type. This is the fourth data type. It represents Boolean values. Boolean is nothing but true and false. True and false. This data type allows only true and false. Internally, Python represents as true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. I already told in keywords topic. I already told that true is equal to 1, false is equal to 0. So that's why these two values, these two keywords are known as reserved literals. See here. A is equal to true. Capital T. Must and should you have to give capital T. True. It's a keyword. That's why it represented in some color, orange shade. A is equal to true. Type of A. is nothing but bool. A is equal to false. Type of A. Again it display bool. Okay. See here. Internally Python represents as true is equal to 1. True is equal to 1. True plus true. True plus true is nothing but 1 plus 1. The answer is 2. Okay. True plus false. See here, the answer is 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. False plus false. What is the answer? 0 plus 0? The answer is 0. Okay. Like that. Boolean. Internally, Python represents as true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. Next data type. String data type. To represent the sequence of characters, string value enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. To represent sequence of characters, either that characters are in alphabet form, either in special characters or spaces or digits. Anything you have to write within double quotes or single quotes, then that value can be treated as string. That value can be treated as string. Okay. So like somewhat L is equal to Python. L is equal to Python. Sequence of characters that is enclosed within double quotes or single quotes is treated as string. Type of L. Type of L is nothing but string. str. It generates str. str is nothing but string. Okay. Like. So these string can be stored in index format. These string can be stored in index format. Okay. Let's see how the string will be stored. Like I'm taking L is equal to small l is equal to Python. L is equal to Python. Okay. The string will be stored like this. P Y T H O N. Okay. The string is stored in index format. The Python supports both positive and negative index also. Positive index starts with 0. L of 0. L of 1. L of 2. L of 3. L of 4. L of 5. Ends with 5. Okay. Next. Negative index. Negative index starts with -1 in reverse order. L of -1. L of -1. L of -2. L of -3. L of -4. L of -5 L of -6. Okay. So string can be stored in index format. String can be stored in index format. Python supports both positive index as well as negative index. Positive index starts with 0 and negative index starts with -1 in reverse direction. Backward direction. Okay. So P is stored in L of 0. P is, what is the index of, positive index of P? L of 0. What is the negative index of P? L of -6. Okay. Like that. What is the positive index of O? O positive index is 4 and negative index is -2. Let's see this example in coding. Okay. L of 0. L of 0. L of 0 is nothing but L of 0 is P. It will display P. L of 4. L of 4. L of 4 is nothing but O. Okay. L of 2. L of 2. L of 2 is nothing but T. It will generate T. Okay. So if I give L of 6, 6 is there or not? So okay, there is no 6. L of 6. So until L of 5 is the last index, a last positive index, there is no L of 6. Automatically it will generate index error out of range. Index error, string index out of range. Okay. So I want to print negative indexes. Negative index L of -6. -6 is nothing but P. Okay. L of -1. -1 is nothing but last character. Last character is N. It will generate N. If I give L of -7. L of -7 is there? No. L of -7 is not there. Okay. Again it will generate index error, string index out of range. String index out of range. Okay. So this is about string data type. To represent sequence of characters, it will store any either alphabets or digits or a special character and spaces also. So see here, for example, S is equal to, I am giving some special characters in spaces, digits, in capital letters, in small letters, like this. Type of S. It will print string. Okay. It can accept this in the within double quotes. It can accept either spaces, special characters, digits, capital alphabets or small alphabets also. Okay. And this is about string data type. And next, move on to the next data type. That is nothing but bytes. Bytes data type. What is byte? In C language, there is an array concept is there. In C language, there is an array concept. Array, in that array can be represented within square brackets. To represent a group of byte numbers like an array. In the bytes data type, the only allowed range are 0 to 256. If you provide any other value, then it will return value error. So it is always immutable. Okay, let's see. So like L is equal to, I am taking an array. Actually in Python it's called as list. Okay, it's called as list. 12. It is only take 0 to 256 only. First of all, you have to take one array, is nothing but one list. 23, 89, 34. Then you have to convert this array, means this list into bytes data type. Then what is the use of bytes data type? Bytes data type used in images purpose. For example, you have to develop a image and video applications, then you have to use bytes data type, because in the image concept the colors will be there. That colors number should be starts with 0 and ends with 255. That's why bytes and byte array data type range between 0 to 256 only. Okay. Next, then I have to convert these list to byte. Bytes of, how to convert this list to byte. Okay, bytes of L, automatically it will convert. Okay, then print type of B is nothing but bytes. If you want to print what is the type of L, I already told you. So in Python, square brackets, within square brackets, if the data is there, that data will be called as list. Type of L is nothing but list. It is the most important topic, list, tuple, set, dict. So later I will discuss about what is list and dict, set, tuple, and previous InfyTQ questions also I will tell you later. Okay, later sessions. List. Okay. So if you want to print these elements, by using bytes, for example, I am giving here B. No, it will generate some format. This is not user understandable format. If you want to print this 12, 23, 89, 34, then you have to use index format. B of 0, it will print 12. B of 1, it will print 23. B of 3, it will print 89. Sorry, B of 3 is nothing but 34. B of 2 is nothing but 89. B of 4, it will generate index error. Okay. See here, in the next point, in bytes data type, it allowed range are 0 to 256. It allowed range from 0 to 256. For example, I am taking one list again. Either you have to convert like this, bytes of, how to take a list, 12, 78, 99, 999. Here, 999, it is not between 0 to 256. Okay. See here, it generates value error. Bytes must be in range between 0 to 256. But here I am giving 999. It's not between 0 to 256. That's why it generates value error. Again, I am converting one value, that is nothing but 256. 256 is not also allowed. It allowed from 0 to 255 only. Between 0 to 256, in between. 0 is also allowed, 255 also allowed, but 256 is not allowed. Okay, not allowed. Again, B is equal to bytes of 255. Okay, it will converted. Type of B, bytes. It will generate bytes. So if you want to print B of 0 is nothing but 12. B of 1. B of 1 is nothing but 78. B of 2, nothing but 99. B of 3, 255. Okay. So if I give B of 4, it generate index error. Okay. And one more point. It is always immutable. It is always immutable. Immutable means non-changeable. Immutable means non-changeable. When I am trying to change the value of these bytes, it will generate an error. Okay, b of 0. Actually, b of 0 is equal to 12. I have to change this value. B of 0 is equal to 122. Okay, it will not change the value because bytes is immutable. Type error. Byte object does not support item assignment. Okay, it will not change the value. But okay, in byte array, it is about bytes data type. But in byte array, bytes and byte array is same. It is same as bytes data type, but it is mutable. In byte array, it is changeable. B is equal to byte array of how to give some values, array of values 12, 89, 78, 677. Here byte array is also taking the numbers between 0 to 256. 0 to 256. Again it will generate. Byte must be in range 0 to 256. Again I am trying. B is equal to byte array of 255. 12, 89, 78, 255. Okay. B, type of B. Type of B is nothing but byte array. It will generate byte array. Okay. B of 0, 12. B of 1, 89. B of 2, 78. B of 3, 255. B of 4, it will generate index error. Index is out of range. Okay. If you want to change the values in B variable, that is nothing but byte array, it will be changed. B of 0 is equal to 61. Okay. 61. Again you have to print B of 0. 61. Before that, B of 0 value is 12. I have to change this value. So that's why I am giving B of 0 is equal to 61. The value will be changed. That is the difference between bytes and byte array. It represents a group of byte of numbers like an array. In bytes data type, the only allowed range, bytes and byte array data type allowed range in between 0 to 256. If you provide any other value, it will return an error. Okay. So, but bytes is immutable, byte array is mutable. Okay. So, the next data type is range. It represents a sequence of numbers. It is immutable. Sequence of numbers means 1 to 10, 10 to 100, 100 to 200, like that. These are the two syntaxes of range data type. Range of number, it is a single parameter. So, it represents 0 to number minus 1. So, it is the second syntax of range data type. Range, starting number, comma, ending number plus 1. So, let's see an example for range data type. R is equal to range of 5. It is a single parameter. It will be treated as the starting number is 0 and ending number is 4. So, it will be treated as 0 to 5, but it will store the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's print R. 0 to 5. What is the type of R? R is a range data type. Okay. So, let's see. For example, I am taking R is equal to range of 5. Range is also stored in index format. Okay. So, range of 5, it will be treated as 0 to 5 means it will be stored like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to number minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. R of 0, R of 1, R of 2, R of 3, R of 4. Okay. R of minus 1 in reverse order. Python supports both positive and negative index. Positive index starts from 0. Negative index starts from minus 1. Starts from minus 1 in reverse order. R of minus 5. Okay. See here, print this. R of 0. R of 0. R of 0 means 0. Okay. R of 4. R of 4 means 4. For example, I am giving here R of 5. R of 5. There is no R of 5 index. Automatically it will generate index error out of range. Index error, range object index out of range. Okay. It generates index error because there is no fifth index. R of minus 5. Minus 5. Yes. Minus 5 is there. Minus 5 is 0. Printing 0. R of minus 2. R of minus 2. Minus 2. It is a negative index. That is 3. Then the answer is 3. If I am printing R of minus 6. There is no minus 6. Minus 6 index. There is no minus 6 index. Automatically it will generate an index error. Index error. Okay. In the next syntax, R of range is equal to R equal to range of 1 comma either 21 comma 25. 21 comma 25. I am giving here 21 number and also 25. So that starting number is 25. Ending number is 25. Sorry, the starting number is 21. Ending number is 25. Means the starting number is 21. Ending number 25. Then it will store up to 24. Okay. So range of 21 comma 25. 21, 22, 23, 24. It doesn't store 25th value. Okay. It doesn't store 25th value. It will store up to ending index minus 1. Ending value minus 1. Ending value minus 1. R of 0, R of 1, R of 2, R of 3. I have to change here negative index minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. I am printing here. R of minus 3 is nothing but 22. 22 is the answer. R of minus 3. 22 is the answer. R of 2. 23 is the answer. Okay. So, R of 5. There is no fifth index. It will generate index error. R of minus 5. Again, there is no minus 5 index. Again, it will generate index error. Okay. It is about range data type. Then, the next data type is none data type. If you required any variable is empty, then it is associated with none type. If you want to any variable is empty, if you want to store any variable is empty, then it is associated with none type. For example, I am taking one variable a is equal to 90. What is the type of a? Type of a is nothing but integer type. I want to put these variable as empty. So, it is associated with none. Let's type of a. None type. Let's print a. Nothing. Okay. So, It is the none type. None type. Okay. Up to now, I covered integer data type. Up to now, I covered integer data type, float data type, complex data type, boolean data type, string data type, bytes, byte array, range, none type. Here, I totally covered 9 data types. But data types are 14 data types. Data types are in Python, there are 14 data types. In this, I covered int, float, boolean, complex, string, bytes, byte array, range, none. So the remaining data types that are nothing but list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict. Later sessions I will discuss about these topics. Okay? Later sessions I will discuss about these topics. These are most important topics in Python that are nothing but list, tuple, set, frozen set and dict. List, tuple, set and dict is very important topics. These four are list, tuple, set, dict. These four topics are very important topics. Later sessions I will cover these topics. Okay. I hope all of you understand this session. Thanks for watching.